Hello everyone, this is Mrityunjay and today in this video we are going to discuss about building an entry level portfolio of 50,000 rupees. Most of the people are currently entering to the stock market as of now and they don't even know about fundamental analysis and technical analysis of the company. The main aim of this channel is to build financial literacy and also wealth building for the retail investors to build huge corpus in the future. So if you still don't have any demat account, open it now, and I have provided links in the description box below to provide a demat account in Zerodha and Upstocks. These are the best discount brokers that are available in the market, and I personally use Zerodha and Upstocks for my investing journey. This video is purely for educational purpose, and if you want to invest in these stocks, please do your own research before buying this stock. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also press that bell icon so that you get future timely updates. This portfolio is purely for the long-term investors who can invest their surplus money for up to 10 to 15 years. Stock market can give you very huge amount of money, but the main thing that retail investors should have is patience. Most of the retail investors don't have patience, so that's why they lose money. And if you invest by today, your money won't start growing the next day. It takes time, it takes patience. So stock market is not like the fixed deposit. It varies, but in a long term it will give you a very handsome return. So if you have patience, the power of compounding can be seen in the stock market. So summing of all the things, let's get the video started. And in this portfolio I have selected 7 stocks, and each of these stocks are the segment leaders. So let's get the video started. Before talking about the stocks, let us see about the market situation about today. I'm taking you all to my computer screen now. Here I have my laptop. As you can see that the time is around 1:15 and Nifty is currently at 15,854, and from the morning it has dropped up to 390 points. That is a 2.41% of drop in Nifty. Let us discuss about these 7 stocks that we are going to build in the portfolio, and at the end of this video I am going to make a table of how many stocks that you can buy in these 50,000 rupees. For some investors 50,000 may look a very small amount, but let us see what is the power of compounding can make this 50,000 in the next 10 years. Here I have opened the lump sum calculator online, and the input amount is 50,000 rupees, and the expected rate of return that is practically available is 18% per annum. Let us provide the time period approximately 10 years. So in 10 years your money would be growing, like if you get 18%, your money will be 2,11,000. And if you increase this for another 5 years, see the magic of compounding here, your money of 50,000 can grow into 6 lakhs in the 15 years. 20 years, 50,000 can grow into 13.69 lakhs. And let us extend this further more. And if you are in 20s and if you can invest your 50,000 into the stock market, after 25 years, that is when you are 45 years, your 50,000 can become 31 lakhs. So the maximum time you give to your money in the stock market, it will grow like that. At the end of the 30 years, if you keep continuing your investment and if you get 18% of returns, in the 30 years, your 50,000 rupees can bring a huge corpus of 71 lakh rupees. So that is the power of compounding. That is the magic of the power of compounding in the stock market. Everyone can make a huge amount of money in the stock market, but only if they have their patience. So skipping up to the next part, we are going to discuss about what are these 7 stocks that you can invest. So the first stock is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance has already given a huge massive returns for all investors. Currently the price of Bajaj Finance is around 6,228 rupees, and this is one of the best stock that you can buy as of now, because it is available at a very discounted price, and it is one of the segment leader in the NBFC sector. The ticker tape also shows that it is a good entry time to consider, because the stock is not yet in the overbought zone. So my first stock pick for this 50,000 portfolio is Bajaj Finance. So let's get into the another stock. The second stock is Tata Power Company. The reason I have chosen this company is because it has got a very huge potential to grow in the future. Nowadays everything is going to be in the sector of renewable energy, and Tata has also said that it is going to expand its renewable energy sector business in the near future, so that most of the 80% of the power generated by the Tata company will be from the renewables. So being a Tata, it is a very fundamentally strong company. So my second pick for this 50,000 portfolio is Tata Power Company. The next stock is Infosys. From the year 1996, it has also provided very huge returns for its investors. It is also giving healthy dividends for its investors. Infosys is also one of a giant company in the IT sector. Coming up to the next stock, I have chosen Pidilite Industries. Pidilite Industries is one such type of a company which is having low beta, which doesn't fall too much during the market crashes and all. Pidilite is known for its products. The most famously used Fevicol is from Pidilite Industries, and also in the 5 years it has given 236% of returns, and you can see this even in the March 2020 it has not fallen that much compared to here. In the recent stock market crash it has fallen a lot, but not in this 2020 crash. So Pidilite is one of a constantly compounding company. I have personally invested in all these stocks. Next stock that we are going to discuss is Goldbees. Everyone should have minimum 5 to 10% of your total portfolio, because whenever the market fall, Goldbees or the gold is one such asset class which provides the support for your overall portfolio. So that's why you should invest in Goldbees. Goldbees is a must-buy stock to support your portfolio. So the next stock we are discussing is Prince Pipes. Prince Pipes and Fittings has corrected a lot in the past 1 year. It has given a return of around 39.62%. And its all-time high was 859. The stock is currently trading at 240 rupees less than its all-time high price. So Prince Pipes is a very fundamentally strong company, and it even has potential to grow in the future. And in the recent budget session, Har Ghar Jal piping industry is expected to grow rapidly in the near coming future. So Prince Pipe is also a small cap company, and it has got very good management. So I have chosen this stock. So the next stock is from Rural Theme, Relaxo Footwears. Relaxo Footwears is growing rapidly in the past few years, and its 5 years return is 415%, which has given a very huge amount of corpus for its investors. Even it has corrected roughly 20 to 25%. Relaxo Footwears is one of the leading company in the footwear segment. Relaxo Footwears is also a portfolio stock, and you must consider these stocks for a well diversified portfolio. So these are my 7 picks, and these companies are having very strong fundamentals, and also the management is also very strong. They keep on doing new things. Their new inventories and new product launches has made them to survive in the stock market during all these crashes and all. We have discussed about all these stocks, and let me discuss their weightage in this 50,000 portfolio. The first allocation for the Bajaj Finance will be 1 quantity. The Tata Power will be 31 quantities. Infosys will be 4 quantities, and Pidilite is 3 quantity. Goldbees depends on this price you can buy, and Prince Pipes that I have allotted is 10 quantities, and Relaxo Footwears that you can buy is around 6 quantities. These are the picks for this today's video, and if there is any available corrections, you can buy further in the dip if you have any money left. So these are my 7 list from the various segments, and these companies that I have chosen is personally the stocks that I have invested in. Before investing these stocks, please do have your own research on these stocks, and also I want to discuss what are your picks in this 50,000 portfolio. If you have any suggestions or idea for in this portfolio, let me know in the comment section below. And if you find this video interesting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, and also do share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and we'll see you in the next video soon.